Exporting with captions on Final Cut Pro is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to load up the project that you want to export with captions for. Now once you have the project, um, you should already have the captions. If you do not, you're going to go to the clips on the project and you're going to right click and you're going to click on transcribe to captions. Now once you click on transcribe, it's going to load and you're going to have captions at the top here. Now if your aim is just to export just the caption, you're going to go to file at the top and you're going to click on export caption. Now here you're going to choose the role that of the caption that you want to export, and you want to choose the start time and if you want it to start relative to timeline or you want it to start absolute, and you're going to click on export. But if you want to export the whole video with the caption, you're going to go to the far right where it says where there's an icon that says share the project event clip or timeline range. You're going to click on that icon and you're going to click on export file, and from here it's gonna you're gonna choose the settings that you want. If you have a preferred settings, you're gonna choose the row and you're gonna put in the information, a description about the project creator and the tag, and you can change the title here. And once you're done, you're gonna click on next, and from here you're gonna save, and the video should be exported with the captions on it. Now that's how to export with caption on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.